Good day and welcome back. Today we're going to have a look at adjusting the carburetor on the bike. So that's just him in there. Now, as discussed in the last video, there's a couple of key components of the carburetor and sort of engine fueling system. So we've got the fuel tap, which takes fuel from the fuel tank and turns that on and off. We've got the air intake, so the air that comes into the bike through the filter. And then on the other side of it, over here, that's where it goes into the engine. It's where the air fuel mixture goes into the engine. And then on the carburetor itself, we've got this here, which is the choke adjustment. So right now that's the choke on, that's the choke off. And from there we've got our mixture adjustment screws. So we've got one little screwy here, and one little screw up here as well. So this one here controls the idle mixture, and this one here controls the idle speed. And that's how I start my Postie bike. So all those switches and stuff, and now that it's running, getting a little bit warmed up, sounding pretty good. No black on my hands. But I want to try a little bit leaner. So I've just adjusted the idle mixture screw a quarter turn. And now I want to come back and I want to wind the idle speed down a little bit. And you hear the pitch change? That's the RPMs changing. I'm still really happy, so I'm going to wind it down a little bit further. That's a really nice slow idle. I think we'll probably just leave it right there.